Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to deploy your website using GitHub pages for free. By end this by the end of this video, your site will be live on the internet. No hosting fees, no credit card required. Let's get started. At first, create your GitHub account. First, you will need a GitHub free account. If you don't have one, head over to the github.com and sign up. That's quick and easy. Then signing in and prepare your project. Next, make sure you have your website files ready. This could be simple CSS. Then make sure your website files is ready. This could be simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript project. Make sure everything is in one folder. Now we will be create an repository. Click on the new button. Let's create a new repository to store your website. I will call it Biz Pro. We have created this site in the previous video. Let's show you this site preview for a second. This was our last video's site we have created using GitHub Copilot. Choose visibility to public and create on repository. There is two ways to upload your file using Git. I will show you for manual update now, and another I will show you in the full GitHub breakdown video. Once you in new repo page, click on uploading an existing file. Go to your folder, mark your all folder and files, and drag and drop into this box. Wait a few seconds. It's depend on your internet how many time it may take. Once your all file uploaded, then go to this below and add the commit message, initial update, initial commit, and click on commit changes. Your file will be proceed and you can see your file already uploaded in GitHub. Now we will be enable GitHub page. Now for the magic part, on your repository page, click on settings, scroll down to pages, under source and branch, click here and select your branch. You can select in my side I have only one branch called main. You must have some other branch. You just select on this branch and click on this save button. And one more thing, under source, select the main branch and select folder to this row. Click on save. Wait a few seconds and reload your website. Wait a few moments, your site will be live. You will see a link at the top of the pages section, something like this. Go to this repository and wait a few seconds. You can see a dot will be show here like this. When this load complete, then your site will be live. You can see details also. This site is okay. Our deployment is completed. Let's go to our site and you can see here a deployment GitHub page. You can just simply click here and you will be get a URL here like this. Just click on this page. Boom. Your website is online for the world to see. If you want to make changes, just update your files in the repository, either upload a new document or update any existing document using Git or push changes. Your site will be updated automatically in a minute. See? You just deployed a website to GitHub pages for free. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more web development tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment and let me know what you want to see in the next. Thanks for watching.